to turn off archive stories on your Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off archive stories on your Facebook Messenger app. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook Messenger, click on it, and now click on your profile, scroll down and click on story. You have the second before the last archive stories. You can turn off or turn on this option, whatever you want. And this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.